fine one. So, what's your name?
My name is
Mm,
Yaya.
Your
My
voice.
name is Yaya.
Where are you from
I'm
now?
from Adababri community, but I reside in Bayelsa here.
So, how many people has displaced here?
Almost 2,000 people are displaced here. Almost 2,000 people are
Selena
displaced here.
Sebastian said.
Almost 2,000 people are displaced here.
So,
So we need help from Paulina Savasti.
thanking them.
We need a tent and mosquito and medicine, food, and water to drink.
Thank them.
And
Thank them.
we need to thank them for their help and their gesture. Paulina has been helping us. Paulina Savasti has been helping us much. Thank them very well. Paulina Savasti, they call for our help and we help them and we praise them for their support.
Where are other people now? They are in the
They are in
that
the camp.
IDP camp. They are inside there.
They are in the IDP camp.
Okay.
Only me, I don't want to live there because of people who will come and loot this place.